Hey, off we go.
Good morning. It is a beautiful, sunny summer day in Southern California, and we are taking a trip in David's sweet ride, Red Rover, otherwise known as a bright red and white VW bus. From which year?
1971, the best year.
1971, yeah. Naples is a neighborhood in Long Beach, California that is comprised of 3 islands that are all connected by canals, and all 3 of those canals empty out into Alamitos Bay. All the roads in Naples have Italian names, and at the very center of Naples is a beautiful fountain that is quite common to meet people at. So we're gonna go find it.
Let's take Red Rover on the road.
We just stopped at a gas station so David can clean the windshield so that you can have a good view. How long is this trail, Dave?
2.6 miles.
Okay, and we're going to go through all the different neighborhoods and islands and canals and show you what we find.
And here we have a Duffy boat. Duffy boats are very common here in Southern California in the harbors. And what you do is you rent one, they're electric, and you putt around in the harbor, and there's a big table in the middle, and you eat too much. It's just like a traveling
It's a
dining
traveling
room.
buffet.
Yeah, traveling buffet, traveling dining room. And it's real common every so often to rent a Duffy boat and putter around.
It's especially popular around Christmas because then you can see all the beautiful decorations of the houses and the boats on the water. I'm surprised that on such a gorgeous day there aren't more people outside. Really, the only ones out are some paddleboarders and lots of children. We're basically filming the houses and the path along the water, but there are lots and lots of side roads that have lots of houses on them too. This is not all there is. Are you looking for a house? This one is only $3.7 million.
We are at a place called St. and Second in Belmont Shore, And it's just a wonderful neighborhood, a lot of lively, colorful stuff going on. And this was the highest rated lunch on Yelp. Here we have the S&S burger, and it looks absolutely fantastic. I almost hate eating it because it looks so nice. But it's got all kinds of stuff in it. I'm going to take a first bite here.
It's like a lot of bacon.
Wow.
How's it taste?
Very, almost fruity. It's just got lots and lots of flavor in it. So,
Looks really good.
I also want to eat the fries before they get cold. Cold fries are never any good.
We're also sharing the tri-tip sandwich, which looks absolutely scrumptious. And we're going to be sharing this butter salad, which looks absolutely delicious. And time for the first bite. Oh my. That is so full of flavor. Little crispy onions on the top. Make it perfect. Delicious. Well, that was a wonderful meal. It ended up David liked the burger better and I liked the tri-tip better, so we were both happy. It was a great way to end a really beautiful day.